Hi everyone! Welcome back to my cozy kitchen. Today, I'm sharing something that's been warming my soul lately, my homemade mushroom soup. Let's start with our stars of the show. Fresh mushrooms, onions, garlic, butter, a little cream, chicken stock, and a quick thickener with cornstarch and flour. Simple, but so flavorful. Let's melt some butter in a big pot. Then saute the onions and garlic until they're nice and soft. That smell, it's already so comforting. In go the mushrooms. Let them cook down until they're golden brown and all that moisture has evaporated. Add our stock, homemade or store-bought is fine. Bring it to a gentle simmer for about 15 minutes. So all those flavors come together beautifully. To get the soup to that perfect, silky texture, a slurry. Just whisk together a tablespoon of cornstarch and a tablespoon of flour with a bit of cold water until it's nice and smooth. Slowly pour the slurry into the simmering soup, stirring constantly. This will help thicken it without lumps. Let it cook for 10 minutes to let the thickener do its job. forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more cozy recipes. Thanks for watching Commodore, and